welcome back to my YouTube channel. New day, new vlog and new hairstyle. Obviously I have done a new haircut for this international trip and I am actually very excited. Okay, let's go. So guys, now we are leaving for Phuket from Bangkok airport. It's almost 12 noon. So let's see how much time it will take again. Finally we are at the Phuket airport and now we are leaving for Krabi. So friends, finally मैं शाम के 6 बजे Krabi पहुंच गई थी. I was totally tired, fucked up. But then I got ready and फिर हम बाहर निकले घूमने के लिए. So luckily I wanted Indian food and there were many Indian restaurants. So yeah, I had Indian food as usual that we have. Tandoori roti, palak, what was that? Nah, palak pasanda, and yeah, it was quite tasty. And now we are here on the beach named Ayong Beach, Krabi. So yeah, we are having fun and you can see backside of me there's a show going on with fire. So they are done with this beautiful show. And here is the beach. And you can see the backside. Here is the whole Krabi city. अभी फिर भी पूरा अंधेरा हो चुका है तो क्लियरली दिख नहीं रहा है. Behind the show there are big mountains. Hey hubby.
Hi.
मेरे साथ चल. मुझे छोड़ के ही भाग रहे हैं और आया तो मेरे साथ ही है. अब यहाँ पे फोटो निकालेंगे. Here's the beach and here's the city. And these are the streets of Krabi. And here are so many shops. You can do here street shopping.